a product that I'm going to test and review that a company sent me, and it is an MP3 player. I don't know why I have the biggest issues with my camera focusing, or my phone focusing, but okay. So it is, just says music player MP3 / MP4, I believe is what that just says. Okay, and it is an 8GB, but it is expandable up to 128GB. And it's actually pretty, I always drop something, hold on real quick. Okay, so then it comes with instructions, it comes with the MP3 player, but they also give you headphones. How cool is that? Because most of the companies that do MP3 players, I don't really see them give you headphones. This thing is heavy, like not like super duper heavy, but like good quality. And like some of the companies, like when we get sent stuff or whatever, then you would just think, oh yeah, it's not gonna be good quality or whatever. But this thing is like, I don't even know how to show you, but it's actually like metal. Like, it's, okay, front, you can hear the plastic, back, metal, you can hear. Okay, so I don't know how well, because I've not tested it. This is like the first time I'm opening it and testing and everything. But I don't know how well everything will be, but like, wow, it's like super good quality. Like, as far as like weight and everything. Because again, okay, and then here's the back of it where it shows, oh my god. Okay, there we go. Where it shows the 8GB and all the stuff on the back that you need to know. So that is pretty cool. Okay, hold on. Okay, so you can see that this is the power button, so I guess you would just hold down the power button. Yep, okay, there we go, to turn it on, and you have all your little, sorry if so much glare, it's because the ring light, so I am so sorry, but I need the ring light. But you have all your options that you can scroll through. Yes, is it touchscreen? Okay, it's not touchscreen. Okay, I am a little trying to figure out how. Okay, let's see. It says it's locked, so let's figure out what that means. Okay, there's a button on the side that there you just scroll up and down. So that's locked, and then that's unlocked. Or no, locked. Unlocked. Okay, so unlocked. Yes, I know, I'm crazy, but okay, I do again not think it's touchscreen, but okay. So the little arrows are where you can scroll over or up or down. Oh, that's not down, that's play. Okay, down. And I have not, okay, and then your volume also. You can turn it up, which is that. I'm hoping, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna plug on the headphones because I definitely don't think this is one that plays out loud. I don't think any MP3 player plays out loud, but just in case, we are going to plug in the headphones, which is just in the bottom. Okay, then we're going to try to find the left one. I'm trying to see if the radio works. Trying to see if I can hear. Okay, and it actually plays loud too. Okay, I'm trying to scroll through an actual like radio station that will play. This may take forever. Okay, I don't have any. Oh crap, we were getting close, darn it, and I exited off. Okay, clicking once again. When you click it, it's not touchscreen, so you have to like, okay, let me show you. You have to like, you don't touch it, okay? Because I'm used to everything being touchscreen, but you don't touch it. You click the play button when you get on something, and then you just scroll. So we're actually like, yay. I don't know. Let me see if I can play this for you. Okay, I'm hoping y'all heard that, but it's actually pretty loud. Like, I can hear pretty much everything being said right here. Okay, that must be the station because this. Okay, that must be the station that was staticky because this one's playing clear. So, to play, and you click to play, and then you want to go back, you just click the back button, and then you can go back again. It says photos and all that, but I'm not sure why it says photos unless you can download photos in here, because it does have like, this is the place where you put a bigger, storage, in there, so that's where you can put the, bigger storage, like 128GB storage, which I actually am probably giving this to my mom if she wants it still, because I told her I would give it to her, but she did not say if she wanted it or not, so if she wants it still, I'm gonna give it to her, and I was wanting to get her the bigger card so she can hold all her favorite songs. This is a really cool, very sturdy kind of thing. Oh, another thing, unplug your headphones, because I've learned over the time, and then if you just want to turn it back off, you will just hit the power button and hold it to turn it. Hit the power button to turn it back off. Don't hold it. Hit it. The thing I've learned is if you keep these plugged in, or if you are in the truck and you keep your cord jack plugged in, they will go bad so quickly. Okay, I know that seems like a duh kind of moment, but at the same time, it was a moment that I like never thought that would happen. So I would just be like, oh yeah, I'll just leave it in because I use it all the time. Nope, if you leave it plugged in, then you will have to buy a jack or new headphones every like month pretty much. But yeah, this is a very cool product. I am glad that I got it. I'm going to try to see if my mom still wants it. If she doesn't want it, I'm definitely gonna keep it because of how sturdy it is. But if she does want it, I'll be purchasing one in the future because it actually is a very well MP3 player. Like, yeah, I'm very happy about this one. So thank you for the company sending me this. I will definitely link everything down below because I like full-heartedly believe that everyone should own one of these because it's been forever since I had an MP3 player. When I had an MP3 player, they're like this long, you can tell, like maybe 2 inches maybe, and they were good and they lasted forever. But like every time I try to find another MP3 player like that where you just like where you fit it in your pocket, it's portable anywhere, not complicated to use, it was like so hard to find another one, so I just gave up on it. I was like, whatever, I got the radio and I got my phones. But yeah, this is good for like starting the new year, exercising, to walk around the block and everything, and to take it to the gym with you, and just to go everywhere. It slips in, like if you have a shirt pocket, you could put it in your shirt pocket, or if you want to put it in your boob, you can put it in your boob. Wherever you can use this, everywhere. So I highly recommend you pick up one. Again, I will leave the link below for this, but yeah, thank you so much, and I hope y'all have
it doesn't make us weak, tongue tied to service like shark routine.